For what values of the parameter lambda will the following equations fail to have a unique solution? So we have to find the lambda here. So the equations, write the equations 3x minus y plus lambda z equal to 1. The second one 2x plus y plus z equal to 2. X plus 2y minus lambda z equal to minus 1. So let us find lambda here. So let us first write this in the matrix form. So matrix form is Ax is equal to B. So what is the matrix A? 3 minus 1 lambda 2 1 1. Write only the coefficients 1 2 minus lambda. That is your matrix A. Then you write the matrix X. X is X, Y, Z, the variables. Then write the matrix B, that is 1, 2, minus 1. Now you write the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix AB. So with the matrix A, you are going to join the matrix B. That is called augmented matrix. So what is the augmented matrix? 3 minus 1 lambda 1. The matrix B we are joining. 2 1 1 2. 1 2 minus lambda minus 1. So this is the augmented matrix. If you want, you can put the slash or not necessary at all. So now we have to bring this in the echelon form. So you know what is an echelon form? It says 0. The numbers, the first row, the first non-zero element is 3. Below 3 you have to make all zeros. Second row, this element is the non-zero element. You have to make this as 0. So for lambda here, it is better if you change the first row. Because if you change the first row, if you don't change, the lambda will be there everywhere and it will be very difficult to find the value of lambda. So it is better, it's not necessary that you should change, it is better if you change. So I am going to change this. If I add these two, I think the lambda will be eliminated, right? So what I am going to do, R1 is R1 plus R3. So you can do all these elementary transformations. The value of the rank will not change. You can do whatever operations you want, you can do it. So I am just adding this so that lambda will be eliminated from row 1. So the row 1 will become now 3 plus 1 4 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Lambda minus lambda 0. 1 minus 1 0. So second row 2 1 1 2. 1 2 minus lambda minus 1. Now our aim is to make this as 0. So that means R2 is 2R2. Because we had to make this as 0, only then we can get 0 here. This should be 4, only then you will get 0. So I am multiplying this by 2. So 2R2 minus R1. I want to make this as 0. So R3 is 4. We have to make this as 4, only then I will get 0 here. 4 R3 minus R1. So this will now become first row as it is 4 1 0 0. Second row 2 R2. I am multiplying the second row by 2. This will become 4 2 2 4. First row as it is. So 4 1 0 0. Change the sign. So this will become 0 here, 1 2, and this will become 4. So this will become 0 1 2 4. Now I want to multiply the third row by 4. So third row will become 4. 4 into 2 8 minus 4 lambda minus 4. I am multiplying the third row by 4 minus R1, right? R1 here. R1 is 4 1 0 0. So when you subtract, you will get 0 7 minus 4 lambda minus 4. So write it here, 0, 7 minus 4 lambda minus 4. Now I have to make this as 0. This element, I have to make it as 0. So how do you make this as 0? So what I should do now, R3 is 3 minus, I have to multiply this. Whenever I want to make this as 0, use R2, don't use R1 again. For this element, always use R2. So the R2, if I have to make this as 0, this should be 7. This constant should be 7. So R3 minus 7 times R2. I am multiplying R2 by 7. So what happens now? R3 is as it is, 0, 7 minus 4 lambda minus 4. 7 times R2. So this will become 0 minus 7. Minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 28. So you will get 0 here. 0. I already changed the sign. So this will become minus 4 lambda minus 14, and this is minus 32. So this row, so this matrix will now change it to 4, 1, 0, 0. Second row 0, 1, right as it is. Third row is now changed, 0, 0, minus 4 lambda minus 14 minus 32. Now this is in the echelon form. The rank of AB, if you take the full matrix AB, the rank of AB is 3 because there are 3 non-zero rows. 1, 2, there is 132 here. 3 non-zero rows. So rank of AB is 3. Now the question is, it should fail to have a unique solution. It should fail to have, that means there should not be a unique solution. If it has to fail that unique solution test, then rank of AB should not be equal to rank of A. So rank of A should not be equal to 3. That means this should be 0. So rank of A has to be either 2 or 1. So rank of this should be 0. This element should be 0. So minus 4 lambda minus 14 should be equal to 0. If it is 0, only then you get the rank of A as 2. Because the question is, it should fail to get a unique solution. When will you get a unique solution? When rank of AB is equal to rank of A. When will you fail to get a unique solution? When rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. So rank of A should not be 3, it should be 2, or it can be 1 also. So if it is 2, then this element should be, if rank of A has to be 2, this should be 0. So minus 4 lambda minus 14 is 0. So we get minus 4 lambda is equal to 14. So lambda is equal to minus 14 by 4. That means minus 7 by 2. So lambda is minus 7 by 2. If it has to fail the test, the question is, it should fail to have a unique solution. That means rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So that rank of AB, we got it as 3. So rank of A should be 2 or 1. If it is 2 or 1, the condition is this should be 0. If it is 0 only, you will get rank of A as 2. So all these elements are 0, then you get rank of A as 2. So this should be 0. So lambda is minus 7 by 2.